Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Bedroom design offers a world of creativity and personal expression. Consider a minimalist elegance with serene, neutral tones and clean lines, or embrace bohemian chic with vibrant colors and electric decor. Scandinavian simplicity offers a cozy atmosphere with light wood furniture and white walls, while an industrial loft embraces urban charm with exposed brick and metal accent for coastal vibes. Create a tranquil seaside retreat with natural colors and natural textures. Rustic charm shines with modern beams and vintage furnishes, while mid-century modern combines retro style with bold patterns, include a luxurious glamour with plush fabrics and metallic accents, or French inspired piece with Japanese minimalist and low platform beds. Mediterranean allure can be achieved with terracotta tiles and vibrant hues, while electric mixes merge various styles and textures. French country boards, floral patterns, and pastels, while Art Deco adds a geometric elegance. Create a tropical paradise with lush greenery and bamboo, or blend modern and farmhouse for a unique twist. Save space with smart solutions, embrace monochromatic chic for sophistication, and infuse nostalgia with vintage revival. Geometric patterns add visual interest. Nature-inspired designs connect with the outdoors, and romantic retreats come alive with soft colors and diamonds lightning. The possibilities for modern designs are endless, catering to the individual tastes and preferences. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.